Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be walking you through how to change your name in Doomsday Last Survivors. If you are on Doomsday Last Survivors and want to give your character a fresh new name, then here is how you can easily do so. First, launch open Doomsday Last Survivors game on your device and wait for the main menu to load. Once you're inside the home page, go ahead and tap on your profile avatar at the top left corner. This will open up the Commander info section. Go to the right hand side and you will see your current name for your character or your account. Tap the pencil button right next to the name to change your name. Now, in order to change your name, you need to go ahead and use the name card in the game. Enter your new name you want to change to and then click on OK. Make sure that the name you choose is unique. If someone else has this name, you'll not be able to use it. After you have the name that can be changed to, you will see the new name reflected in your profile. So that's how you easily change your name in Doomsday Last Survivors. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.